I told you, you shouldn't have brought me in here, man.
Man.
How are we gonna get a plane ticket to go home?
I don't know, I think we're gonna probably have to take an Uber.
Welcome to a new episode of Hit Cash Out and Run.
Hey.
Yours truly, Adam, and there's Koji. Marina's still on vacation. We are on our way to Luxor. I'm gonna go try our luck over there. He's gonna use his new player's card again. Try to get some points. Try to get some free rooms.
New player's card 10.
Made it to Luxor, and we are playing the lucky card,
Devil's game.
Wicked Hot Stuff Wheel. All right, we have 167 in there, and we are betting.
3 wheels on the word.
Is there a different denom? One. Okay, so we're gonna go start at 40 cents and go up. We need one more. One more. 80 cents. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna max bet it until we get to 100, because that was my winning from bubble crabs. Here we go. Yeah, look how happy he is. Max bet special. Here we go.
I feel the brand.
Oh! I know, I thought so too. That's better than nothing. Hit cash out and run.
Cash out and run, man.
Boom.
Hey, new player's card.
New player's card.
That was only a few spins.
That was good. Good enough for me. Cash out. Where's the cash out? Look how small the cash out button is. You can't even see it. They don't want you to cash out.
It's not lit. It's the only thing not lit.
Right? Here we go. $200. Boom. Right there. Yeah. Nice win. You want it to stop?
No.
Okay.
I want to get the money.
You want to press this button right here? Press it real quick so it stops. There you go. Now press cash out. Hey, that's a nice win, man. 150.
160.
Yeah, you got $160 out. Fat stacks. Since we started with the devil, this is another devil. Smoking hot stuff, fat stacks.
Luxor Devil Game.
We have the $200 in there, and we're starting off with $1 bets. Cash out. So we need 6 of those, or 3 of those for the free games. Nice. Let's go. 5-cent denomination. Two more. Hot stuff. 2 more. Come on, smoking. 2 more. It's a lot of 2 mores and 1 mores. Maybe it's on the 1 cent denomination. All right, let's try 1 cent, 50 cents. Okay, we're going to a $1 bet. That sounded so good. Oh, $10 win. Nice. Money back. All right, $1.50 bets. Whoa. Here we go, $2.50 bet. Okay, now we are going $5 bets. Those are nice numbers. Oh. Damn. Here we go. I feel it coming. We got a good line pays. The balls are drawn. 1 more. Oh, it passed by, dude. 10 cent. 10 cent is. Okay. 250, right? Oh. This game is not that great.
Yeah, a lot of twos. A lot of twos.
Right? All right, I'm done. That was not good. We're done with you, devil.
Yeah.
Wasted $100. I'm not gonna chase it. There's no action. This guy saw a machine from across the room. He said,
Lucky ox.
Lucky Ox. Here you are, everybody. The Lucky Ox. That's what it looks like. We're trying this out. We're gonna start out with 50-cent bets. Are there different denoms? No, it's just 1 cent denom. Here we go.
What are the top numbers?
That's a great question. I think you gotta get a symbol in here to get that top, but we'll find out. Let's find out. We haven't got anything yet, right? See, it says here, Lucky Ox on the reel awards a prize above it. So we need a Lucky Ox, that Lucky Ox. Line pay, $2 back.
Oh, jackpot. You see that? Lucky ox.
Uh-oh, something's happening here.
Lucky ox.
Something's happening here. No, line pay. All aces all the way across. What?
Win, dude. You're a big deal.
Oh, it's only $8.30. I thought it was exciting, dude.
Me too.
All right, we're going up to $1 bet. $4.80. Line pays coming back. $3 bet, $3 win. We need the lucky ox to get one of those.
Damn, jackpots.
Let's try to get one of those and we'll see how it goes. We just need one of those.
It's a lucky ox.
We are increasing it to $1.50. What? It didn't show up.
Dude. Hella close to the ox.
I see why nobody plays this game.
That's why we never heard it.
Yep.
Wild will nudge up or down.
Uh-huh.
Oh, the ox!
Yeah, I know, it's right there.
Damn, that was a whole screen of wild.
$2.50 bet. All right, we're finishing up with $5 bets. We got about 10 of them. Here we go. Who chose this game? All right, we're done with this place.
Sucks.
We're done with the Luxor. We have just lost.
Man.